Hi, I'm Dan Tallarico, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about advertising online. This is a video series we've been doing to help people understand the fundamentals of online advertising. I work at Webkite, and we're building tools to help you be a better online advertiser, and I thought it'd be great if we could share some of the fundamental ideas and theories so you could find as much success as I have. Alright, so cost per click is great. Let's talk a little bit about cost per impression. Cost per impression is very traditional in a lot of ways. It's sort of the same pricing model that radio and TV use, because on those things you can't measure exactly what the results are, right? You're probably going to show your commercial to a couple thousand people, but whether or not they click, they can't track that, or whether or not they buy your product afterwards, you can't track that. So when you're getting cost per impression online, you can track the ROI a little better because you can see the clicks and everything, but you're bidding basically not for clicks, but to get your message in front of people. So a lot of the display ads you see around the internet, those are bid on a cost per impression level. It's really great if you have a new product or you want to show off a new product or messaging and you know the demographic that you want to show to. For instance, KitchenAid mixers, let's say you sell those and you want to target cooking blogs or blogs that talk about recipes. With Google AdWords, you can set the categories and sort of the themes that you want your ad to show up on, and set how much you want to pay per impression. And then, as long as there's not a ton of competition, or as long as you're bidding high enough, your ad will show up on those sites. Whether or not it drives action, that's where the hard part about display ads is. You don't get a ton of clicks, but you do keep getting the message in front of the core audience, which is what's important. And that sort of cost per impression is pretty basic. The hard part, really, that I find about cost per impression is just getting the art down, right? You have to create display ads. There's a ton of dimensions and everything that need to be considered because banner ads are different size, and the tall skyscraper ads are different size, and you have the square ads. So you just kind of have to create a lot of art assets. But yeah, that's cost per impression. And it's great for getting in front of people, not great for clicks. This is not for driving traffic. This is for raising awareness. And so if you have any questions, you can email me, dan@webkite.com, or you can find us on Twitter @webkite, WBKITE. And we'd love to hear from you, and we'll answer your questions in our next video segment. Thank you very much.